I'm Smithy, this is my KONTIKI, and we've got some mail from America. But first, let's go and have a look round a proper caravan. So what's the best chair for camping? The little ones for the grandkids, the other two are alright, but they're just cheap. And if you want a good chair, stay away from caravan shops. Go to fishing tackle shops. And have a look at this one. Well, what a day it's been. I hope you like that. Campsite occupied. You should all have one of them. When you park up, you put that out and then you go somewhere, you come back there, it's your spot. So this video is all about chairs. What chairs should I buy for my motorhome? Yes, you can buy cheap ones, £10, you know, stack them away. They'll drop to bits in a year. Them little green, little blue ones, they're alright. You go for a caravan shop, they'll sell you the cheapest crap for the maximum amount of money, honestly. But if you go to a fishing tackle shop, which is what I said, then you'll get a quality chair. You'll get a chair that will last you for years. It's a chair that's designed to be sat in for hours and hours and hours on end fishing. That's the chair you want. Go to a fishing tackle shop. That's my advice to you. A good quality, well-made chair, a fishing tackle shop. And like my chair, it's got little pockets at the side, it's got everything. Yes, you can get that type of chair from a camping shop, but it won't be the quality as it is at a fishing shop. Yeah, 60, 70, 80, 90 pound, but it's going to last you forever. It's going to last you for years and years and years. And I'll show you now, you fold it up. There you go, so it takes no more room up than the cheap rubbish. So buy a quality chair and it'll last you. And the idea of having the van, this is your base. It's like Mr. Daz P once said, your caravan or your motorhome is your base, and then you go off and do your activities. It's not just a lounge about like this all day long. Go and do some things, you know. This is your base, and then this lets you park where you want, and then you go do stuff. I'm changing my channel a little bit. Yes, I've got a full-size cooker, but somebody did say to me, I don't know whether it was on Twitter, Facebook or on my YouTube channel a long time ago when I first started all this journey on YouTube and Facebook and all that. And they said, well, how is it wild camping? Well, all you're doing is taking your house to the side of a, you know, where a mountain or whatever. And he was right, he's right. We're cooking on a cooker. But you've seen my last video or two ago, I bought the little burner bin. I've got a nice saw, which I'll show you in the other video. I'll make another video of doing that and cooking. But the idea is with that bin, I can go and park up next to a forest, wherever we want. I'll cook for free. There's no point using my gas and my cooker when I can do it outside for free and we're keeping warm at the same time. Although it's summer now, so it doesn't make any difference. But that's what I want to do, and that's the way I want to go. I want to be wild camping. I want to be in the wilderness with my canoe and in a river on my own, and well, half sea with me and the dogs, but you know, that's what I want to do. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I thought I'd add a bit of variety, show you around the nice little van. A couple of good lads there. Right, so we've got a letter from Roy, although no, it's Phoenix, Arizona, all the way to me. Fancy that. Roy and Becky's Travels on YouTube. So what we're going to do, can you see that there? They're going on there. Let's see if I can move you back a bit. Right, so my stick, this is Fablon, by the way. I put Fablon on these. It's just the wood and Fablon on top. So if I sell it and the new owner decides that he's doesn't want the Fablon on or the stickers, they can just take it off. No problem. Roy and Becky's Travels. I hope that these just stick on. So let's put you in that corner. Look at that. That's a nice sticker, that, you know. Roy and Becky's Travels on YouTube. There we go. I like that. Can you see that? Let's have a look. You can't even see it. There, look. I'll do you a close up in a minute, then you'll see it. Right, so where's this one from? St. Paul, MN, Minnesota, is it? Steinhoff. He's alright, him actually, he's not a bad fella. These people do lives, by the way, on YouTube. Van travels and tribulations and all kinds of other stuff. Dear Simon, thank you so much for your awesome support. I'm trying to get stickers out to everyone. Hey, it's not cheap, buddy. Thanks for supporting my channel. No problem, Steinhoff. No problem. What a nice sticker that is. It's like you see. I like that. So let's get Steinhoff. I don't have any nails, so I don't want to damage the sticker. So anyway, that there is going to be my sticker board. Oh yeah, look at that. It's like an outdoor fire, trees, compass. Steinhoff, let's have Steinhoff there. So the problem I'm going to have now, my videos, right, they're going to have to be like that so you can see the stickers. Anyway, so I've not forgotten, we've got Andy's. I kept Andy's, Many Fun Adventures. I was going to buy a little board and stick it up there, and I thought, well, you're never going to see it, let's just put it in the van. Even Andy said stick it in the van. So that's what I decided to do. Andy, Many Fun Adventures. Let's get your sticker on there. Many Fun Adventures. About there. Right. How's that? Right, let me show you. Roy and Becky's Travels, Steinhoff, Many Fun Adventures. It is straight, it's me not holding the camera right. I like them, I like them. So the only thing I'm going to have to do now is I'm going to have to return the favour. Because it's not fair people sending me stickers and I haven't got a sticker to send to them. So I'm going to have to get some. And what I might have to do is get my mate Andy to design me one. And we'll go from there. Andy, are you listening? I know he's going to listen because he watched the video. There you go. So I hope you enjoyed it, and I've had a cracking day, me. Lockdown's ended. Well, it's not ended, but you're allowed out for the day, so that's what we've done. I've kept my distance from everybody, as you should. I've sorted stuff out. We've been out. And I'm getting the gear together now for the outdoor stuff. I'm not going to show you. I did say I was going to show you something before, but I'll leave it till the next video. Anyway, take care. I hope you enjoyed yourself, and stay safe, and Smithy will see you soon. See you later. Nearly did it in one.